Going on finance after 40 here, an update on Workhorse. If you see my video from yesterday, someone made a $2.1 million bet that Workhorse will be above $25 by March expiration, and we closed the day up 25% to almost 19 bucks. But I want to show you exactly how this company did another insane bet. Look at this trade. Same thing. I think it's the same guy, same company. Look at this as of today. March 19, another 25 put, timestamp 3 o'clock and 11, 3:11. I'm gonna show you in a second the chart how it looks like. Another 2,000 units, 25 put for a price of 10.59. Look at this, another 2.1 million dollar. That the price, if you are just an average retail trader, you think that he's betting on a put, just selling 25 put, that it will be below 25, but he have done that since the price was 15, not since the price was 35. So my assumption, and so far it looks good, it's up 25%. My assumption that he added another $2 million to this bet, that Workhorse will be above $25 by March expiration. Pretty awesome. That's $4 million bet in 2 days, 2 trading days in a row, that Workhorse will be above 25 by March. I don't know by how much, but I know that if you bought some call options today when it started like 15, 16, then you will be very happy so far. Let me show you the trade and why I think he sold $2 million worth of 25 put instead of just buying 25 put. This is the bullish. He's trying to manipulate you and think that Workhorse is going down, so you can subscribe to some sweep and blogs and so many subscriptions that people are telling you, hey, someone is betting $2 million 25 put, and basically it is a bullish sign. It's not bearish sign. Let me show you the trade. Yeah, so the trade, guys, was at 3:11 p.m. Eastern time. I circle it right here, okay, and check what happened. This is so illegal. Someone should go to jail for that, but you cannot hide in the option market. That's why I try to teach you guys, you cannot hide in the option. It's all transparent. Sure, you can maybe disguise by doing selling put, but you actually a bullish sign, but you cannot hide. And if you want to invest $2 million in a call option, you can buy 25 calls, and then everyone will think that, hey, this is a bullish sign, but you try to manipulate the average person to think that you bought $25 put. Just my opinion, do not listen to me, do your own due diligence. But this was basically the trade 3:11, and look what happened. What was the time frame right here at 3:22? 11 minutes later, we went from a price of 15.53 all the way to close at 19 point, all the high 19.7. Trade a little bit sideways after that, went 25% in the last 45 minutes, and then after hours, short people are trying to scare you out of these shares. But this guy, this company, I'm sure it's the same company, because they did the same trade, same 2,000 yesterday. Yesterday it was like 2.2 million, and now it's 2.1 million. And this guy, they want Workhorse above 25, and they know exactly how to manipulate market. This is not you and me. This is not Wall Street bet. This is hedge funds. This is institution money knowing how to make money. And if they're betting $4 million that Workhorse, this is Workhorse, we did another 25% today, pretty massive, to almost 19. People are trying to scare you after hours to 16.80, down 10%. But this company is so far has $4 million bet that, in my opinion, according to the 1 minute chart, is a bullish sign that the Workhorse is going above 25 for the March monthly expiration. If it was a bearish sign, you better believe it that they would put $4 million 10 minutes before the USPS deal would announce the PR, and they would do 25 put when Workhorse was 30 plus. not when Workhorse was 15 doing a 25 put. They're betting that Workhorse will be above 25, and those $4 million options will expire worthless. Just my opinion, not a financial advice. With this nice insane candle, 25% right after the buy. If we're bringing you guys any sort of value, like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have some call options on Workhorse. Not a financial advice, just my opinion. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Yep.